Layer visibility shortcut in Photoshop. Is there a way to set a keyboard shortcut to toggle layer visibility in Photoshop, CS3?
There isn't a shortcut bound to this action by default. But if you go to the keyboard shortcuts configuration, edit is greater than keyboard shortcuts, under layers there is a hide layers option where you can bind your own shortcut.
Mac equals Command plus, toggle selected layer visibility. Mac equals Command plus Option plus, turns all layers visibility on regardless of layer selection. PC equals CTL plus. PC equals CTL plus Alt plus.
I don't think Photoshop has a default hotkey for showing / hiding a certain layer. You can, however, create your own action to do this, and just bind it to a key.
I have software Photoshop Assistant. It can bind any key to show hide a particular layer, and other cool stuff too. You can check it. I tried creating an action, it works, but you have to choose the shortcut key from the F, X keys, and what is worse, you should choose 2 different keys for hide and for show layer. It's boring.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.